everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and today we are just putting makeup on my face. I got a bunch of new products, so we're just gonna put them on my face and see what comes of it. I have a palette, which I'm very excited for. This is the new one from Huda Beauty. It is the Naughty Nude palette, and I have used it a little bit, and it is quickly becoming one of my favorite things. But I also have the new foundation from Huda Beauty, the new stick foundation. I'm hoping I got the right shades. So we'll see how that plays out. We're just gonna put makeup on my face to cover the tomato-ness of it and all the face demons that are popping up. We are not about face demons here. We are about covering them up. First things first, it's hair. It's got to go. For primer today, I'm gonna go in with something new, obviously. I got the Marc Jacobs Undercover Primer. Yeah, that seems about right. Ooh, this feels funny. I don't like the smell. It smells bad. I don't like it. It smells like old clothing. Like, you know, like when clothing's been like in storage and it gets like that like musty type smell. That's what it smells like to me. It smells like an old person house. This feels so weird. Wait, do you want to smell it? Maybe you can tell me what it smells like.
It smells like an old dresser.
Yeah.
Yeah, not necessarily the old clothes, but the old dresser.
Yeah, that, yeah. Mm-hmm. That's 100%, yeah. I don't like it. It smells funny. I don't like it. And it has a really weird texture too. This is gonna be interesting. See how everything sits on this. I feel like everything's gonna like glide around and I'm not a fan of that. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty stick foundation that just came out. And I got them in the shades 120B Vanilla and 200B Shortbread. I'm gonna go in with the lighter one first. Why are you laughing?
Oh, pasties. Pasty pastries.
Pasty pastries. That would be a great business. Yeah, I don't have time for that. Anywho, going in with 120B. This is a weird consistency for a stick foundation. Okay, and I'm gonna blend this out with a MAC 170 foundation brush. I'm hoping that this is buildable because it is not the regular Huda coverage that I'm used to. The liquid foundation is very thick and very full coverage right off the bat. I hope it builds nicely. We'll see. She's very ghostly. She's very vanilla. Not sure how I feel about this. Mind you, it could be the primer that I'm not liking. That could be it too. For concealer today, we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer in the shade Fair. And then to set today, I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade 1, which has quickly become a favorite of mine. Okay, moving on. For contour and bronzing today, I got a new palette in my BoxyCharm box this month, and it's from Pretty Vulgar, and it is the Nesting Bee Face. Okay, so I'm gonna take the lightest bronzing shade in here called Son of a Bee. Yeah, we're just gonna take a little bit at a time because I don't know how pigmented this is. And for blush, they also have a blush color in this palette, and it is called Mirror Mirror. It's kind of a pinky shade. That's actually really pretty. And then for highlighter today, I'm going to be taking the new Kylie Cosmetics highlighter from her new collection. And this is Hear Me Roar. Ooh, it has like cheetah print pressed into it. That's fun. I'm not usually a big fan of Kylie's pressed highlighters, so we shall see what this one does. Alrighty, base is done. Moving on to eyes. I'm going to be using the Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I have used it a few times, slightly obsessed with it. I have not used it in a video yet though. So we're gonna do that today. Get ready, get ready. Ready for this. I feel like there should just be like a ray of light that comes out of this and like angels singing. No. Yeah, that's what happens when you open this palette because it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like, can you just, I'm gonna be honest though, this shade, this right here threw me for a loop when I first opened it because it's like a gloss and it's super weird to work with, but it looks really cool. I might use it today. Maybe, we'll see. Love makeup. First things first. I'm gonna go into the shade Hypnotic, which is this really light brown transition color. I love Huda eyeshadows. They are just so good. Then I'm gonna go into the shade Naughty, which is this really nice dark brown. Not the darkest brown in the palette, but one of the darker ones. Go tap it on the outside. She's so pretty. She's a Kendra. I'm just gonna use that as an adjective now. I think for a glitter today, I'm gonna go in with the shade Please Me. It's this really pretty bronze shimmer. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna take this little angle brush from Scott Barnes. This is brush number 63. And I'm gonna go into Naughty again and do the lower lash line with that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Flower Power in the same palette and do the inner corner with that. Okay, so moving on to lashes, I'm going to be using some lashes from a new company in Vancouver called Royal Lash, and I'm going to be going in with the style Classy, and she is a little wispy number. And I'm going to be going in with my trusty lash glue from Huda Beauty. We're going to do that right now. Ow, that is down my eye. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Can't Be Tamed, and then I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Sugar Sugar. All the things to the lips. Okay, and then for a lip gloss today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario lip gloss, the new one, and this is in the shade Rose Nude. I'm a grown up, I swear. Ooh, she's pretty. She's very pretty. And then for setting spray today, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte setting spray. I got this in my BoxyCharm box this month. that looks so cool. And then for mascara, I'm just gonna take my favorite Fenty Beauty one, the Full Frontal Mascara. Okay, so this is the final look of the products that are new to me this month. I'm loving how this looks. Kind of sad that I can't go anywhere with it, but that's okay. It's fine, it's fine. I'm just gonna go sit on my couch and drink wine or tequila, one or the other. We're not too sure yet. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see new videos once to twice a week. Depends on the week. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next. If there's any products that you want to see me use, or if there's any certain looks that you want to see me do, let me know. Greatly appreciate it. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing good, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye!